I am quarantine. ഞാൻ ക്വാറന്റൈനിലാണ്. That's fucked up. So we are done with our COVID test. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and as promised I am back with another Kerala vlog, and this vlog is like a combination of 2 days. So one day is the final day of quarantine in Kerala, and the second day is when me and my family finally go and get ourselves tested for COVID. Let's check it out how that day went. Are you serious? Are you serious? തുപ്പിലടച്ചു. Open. Shitu, sit. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Sweetu, sit. Good girl. Sweetie, sit. Sweetie, sit. Sit, Sweetu. Good girl. Shitu is a good girl. പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ടൊരു 6 ദിവസമായിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ ഈ 6 ദിവസത്തിൽ ഒറ്റ പ്രാവശ്യം ശരിക്കും വ്ളോഗ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. ബിക്കോസ് ഐ വാസ് ജസ്റ്റ് കൺഫ്യൂസ്ഡ് എന്ത് വ്ളോഗ് ചെയ്യണം, എന്തിനെ പറ്റി ഞാൻ പറയണം. ഐ ആം ക്വാറന്റൈൻഡ് റൈറ്റ് നൗ ആൻഡ് ഞാൻ घूम गया because मुझे स्लीपर लेने का था. Okay, one thing in Kerala is like you can never find your slipper where you left it, because if you leave your slipper, it is public property. Like it's the same, like you leave your slipper on the front door and later you'll find it in the back door. That is how things are with slippers in Kerala. And okay, wait, I should just bring this. Hi. Vada Tito. No. Vada Kutushi. Hi. So the time is 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and this baby here is with me, Ocho. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Steve, Vivek. Dumb. So basically वो दूध के अंदर कच्चा अंडा है. इसको नाक क्यों बंद किया? नाक बंद करके तो कैसे ला रहा है? Yeah! Velima is drinking milk with kacha anda. Hi guys, good morning. So today we completed our 7 days of quarantine and right now we are on our way to get ourselves tested and fingers crossed. Initially we were thinking that we won't get ourselves tested because it was kind of risky to go to the hospital and things like that, but if not then we will have to stay quarantined for more 7 days, which is like 14 days in all. So I will update you all soon what happened and what the results are. We are done. It was not painful at all, but it was like a kind of discomfort, like my eyes went all teary. Basically we have to wait till 2 o'clock and अगर negative रहेगा तो calls नहीं आते हैं, only if you are positive. सिर्फ तभी the hospital will call you to tell you that you are positive and then you have to go for a second test to confirm that you are positive. And honestly it was not a bad experience. Everything was so well managed. I can't even describe. Velima, all good?
All good, all good.
ऐसे देखा जाए तो यहाँ पर भी सब कुछ खुला ही है, बट एक फ़र्क जो है मुंबई एंड केरला में, एंड वो एक फ़र्क बहुत लाइक ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है, is that people are not wearing mask on their neck or on their head or whatever. They all are wearing like mask in a proper manner and everybody is wearing. All the Vayan local people and every single person on the street is wearing a mask, and that is such a rare sight. Honestly, I can still feel the thing on my nose, but it's not painful, it's just a kind of discomfort and it's gonna be fine in like some time. Now we are out to do some grocery shopping. So right now we reached the supermarket and we are doing our grocery shopping. So as I mentioned earlier, if you get a call by 2 o'clock, then it's red alert, we are positive, and if we do not get a call, that means we are negative and it's all good. And kuch tension ki baat nahi, I am going to go hug my bochi and pops and I'm going to irritate the hell out of them and bindas full hug se. And then one thing, oh wait, the roads in Kerala, one thing जो मुझे बोलना ही पड़ेगा is I am highly impressed with the healthcare services over here. So first of all, we went to a government hospital to get ourselves tested because that was the nearest test center that we could find, and it was so clean, everything was so well managed, all the safety precautions were being taken, and all the laws and all the things that you read in the books, aisa rehna chahiye, waisa rehna chahiye, all of these things were practically implemented very well. Seekho inse, seekho, because hats off, very impressed. हम लोग तो टेस्ट भी नहीं लेने वाले थे बिकॉज वी वर स्कैर्ड कि हम लोगों को कुछ हुआ नहीं है बिकॉज देयर वर नो सिम्टम्स एट ऑल. बट अभी वहाँ पे जाके व्हेन वी गो टू द हॉस्पिटल वहाँ पे जाके कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए उसका हम लोग को टेंशन था. दैट्स वी वर काइंड ऑफ हेजिटेंट व्हेन इट केम टू टेस्ट गेटिंग आवर सेल्फ टेस्टेड. बट आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा कुछ भी सीन है यार. दोज हू ऑल आर like you know afraid to come to Kerala and then get yourself tested, guys, just go for it. And zaruri bhi nahi hai ki you have to go to a private hospital or something. We didn't pay anything na Valima. It was free of cost. Whoa. So the test was also free of cost. हाँ बराबर है. ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ കുളിച്ച് നല്ല സുന്ദരി കുട്ടി ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ഹായ് കുഞ്ചു ഓടില്ല കുഞ്ചു. So guys, it's past 2 o'clock, it's 2:15 and we got no call, which means obviously that we all are corona negative, which also means that I can go and എൻ്റെ വ്ളോഗിന് വേണ്ടി ഹായ് പറഞ്ഞ ഹായ്. That's it for now, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog as much as I enjoyed making this vlog for you all. If you all are new to this channel, make sure you all hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit the like button, share the video as much as you can, and comment below your feedbacks and your suggestions. They are always welcome. More and more Kerala vlogs on its way, so stay tuned, stay blessed, and like I always say, see you until next time.